Have you ever come across people saying that you resemble more like your father? People usually say, you have a sharp nose like him, or you have big eyes like your father. No wonder, this is all due to inheritance. So, inheritance is about the transfer of parental characteristics to the offspring. From the definition, can you guess the other name for the inheritance? The other name for inheritance is heredity. We all know that our body is made of cells. Can you guess which part of the cell is responsible to inherit characters from your parents? It is a 2 to 3 meters long thread-like structure, called DNA, packed into chromosomes. To locate the DNA inside a cell, the sequence to be followed starts with the body made up of cells, with a central nucleus that is packed with chromosomes. These chromosomes are marked by genes that code for the DNA. Gene is the structural and functional unit of heredity that bring in both similarities and dissimilarities. Are you a complete replica of either your father or mother? No, not exactly. Let us know the reason. During reproduction, there is a combination of genetic material from father and mother, which leads to certain differences in the offspring. Hence, offspring does not exactly resemble the father or mother. Thus, this difference is called variation. Variation is the degree to which differences are visible in parents and their offspring. Further, let us know about variations that are caused by genetic recombination, errors during replication, and mutations. To know about genetic recombination, we have to know that it occurs in meiosis, a type of cell division that involves crossing over of homologous chromosomes, leading to variations. The next process which leads to variations is DNA replication. During cell division, DNA gets copied by the process of replication, which is a highly error-free process. But still, sometimes, there are a few errors that result in variations. Last but not least, the mutations brought over by environmental factors result in variations. Let us have a glance at meiosis, which is believed to be the most probable cause of variations. What happens during sexual reproduction? Exactly, germ cells of opposite sexes undergo meiosis and produce gametes, such as sperms and ova. Spermatogenesis, which occurs in males, involves meiosis resulting in the formation of spermatozoa. Oogenesis occurring in females involves meiosis that results in the formation of an egg cell. How many steps are involved in meiosis, and what happens during the same? It is divided into meiosis I and meiosis II. Meiosis I and II involve common steps such as prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Let us have a look at them individually. During prophase I, there is the condensation of homologous chromosomes towards each other by synapsis. Later, crossing over takes place, leading to genetic recombination. The disappearance of nuclear membrane and nucleolus is observed. During metaphase I, there is an alignment of bivalent chromosomes on the equatorial plate. During anaphase I, there is a separation of homologous chromosomes with sister chromatids, connected at centromere. During telophase I, there is the reappearance of the nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Next comes the cytokinesis, during which a dyad of cells is formed. Now coming to meiosis II, which involves prophase II, during which there is the disappearance of the nucleolus and nuclear membrane followed by condensation of chromosomes. Next is the metaphase II, which involves the alignment of chromosomes at the equator from the opposite spindle regions. During anaphase II, the splitting of centromeres and shortening of the spindles lead the chromatids to reach the opposite poles. Next is telophase II, during which there is the reappearance of the nuclear membrane, enclosing chromosomes. Last is the cytokinesis, that results in the formation of a tetrad of haploid daughter cells. Among these, prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is significant as it involves crossing over, leading to genetic recombination. Genetic recombination creates variations that are essential for the improvement of genotypes. These are the highlights of heredity or inheritance.